Imagine having thousands of hours of video content and being able to ask it questions like you're talking to a person. Show me every time someone mentioned our competitor. Find all the moments where people smiled. What were the trending topics last week? This is not science fiction, this is memories.ai, and it's changing how we interact with video forever. Here's the problem that has been hiding in plain sight. We are drowning in video content. Security teams review thousands of hours of footage manually. Marketers spend days scrolling through TikTok looking for trends. Content creators lose track of their own work. Even the most advanced AI models hit a wall when dealing with more than 1 or 2 hours of videos. They simply cannot maintain the context over long periods. It's like having a brilliant assistant who forgets everything after every conversation. Enter Memories.ai, a startup founded by two former Meta Reality Lab researchers who asked a simple question. What if AI could see, understand, and remember video content just like a human would? They've built something called a large visual memory model. Think of it as giving AI a photographic memory for video. And here's what makes it special. For example, a chat interface. Instead of scrubbing through footage, you literally can chat with your video library. For example, show me when John entered the building yesterday. And you see instant results with timestamps. The next use case, content creation. The video creator agent can generate videos simply through conversation. For example, make me a 30-second highlight reel of our best customer testimonials. Done. And lastly, we also wanted to talk to you about another use case that is of market intelligence. For marketers, they've indexed over 1 million TikToks. You can discover trends and find relevant creators in seconds and not hours. Let's talk about the technology behind this. Now here's where the magic lies. While the traditional tools try to load the entire video clips into the memory, Memory.ai uses a multi-layered approach. They compress the footage, strip away irrelevant data, index the important frames, and aggregate the insight. It's like having a librarian who just doesn't store books but remembers every detail and can instantly find exactly what you need, even across thousands of hours of content. We also wanted to discuss with you the real-world applications. First and foremost, security and surveillance. Security firms are now using this to query months of footage instantly. Show me everyone who entered through the back door after midnight this month. What used to take days now takes seconds. Secondly, the marketing and brand management. Marketing teams track brand visibility and sentiment across social platforms. They can identify how their brand is being portrayed, find authentic user-generated content, and spot emerging trends before they go viral. Then we come to the content creation and management. Content creators finally have a way to organize and search their libraries. For example, find all my videos wherein I mentioned productivity tips. Or show me the clips wherein lightning was perfect for outdoor shots. And this brings us to the market validation and traction. The market is taking notice. Memories.ai just closed an 8 million seed round led by SUSE Ventures, with Samsung Next and other major investors joining in. The round was originally targeted at 4 million but was oversubscribed, a clear signal of the demand for AI systems with real memory capabilities. And with a 15% team and former Meta Reality Lab researchers at the helm, they are positioning themselves as the foundational layer for a new generation of AI systems. So what comes next? This looks like just the beginning. The team envisions syncing content directly from customer drives, enabling advanced assistant-like queries, and eventually powering everything from humanoid robots that learn through visual experience to AR interfaces with contextual recall. Memories.ai is starting with high-volume video analytics, but the implications do stretch far beyond. Memories.ai offers a free tier to get started with paid plans beginning at $20. Whether you're a security professional, a marketer, a content creator, or a developer building the next generation of AI applications, this might be the memory layer that you've been waiting for. The question isn't whether AI will remember everything that we show it. It's whether you will be among the first to harness that power. That's all that we have for you in this episode of Capital Series. Hope you've enjoyed this episode and do stay tuned in for the next product review that we have for you.